Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching the video. Today I am going to make aloo chop and I have taken potatoes boiled up, about 6 potatoes here, some oil, cumin powder, saffron, salt, chili powder, ginger, garlic and chili chopped up very fine. All these ingredients I am going to mix and make the aloo chop. While making the aloo chop, I will make the batter and then I will show the batter will be made with the besan. So come on, let us start with the recipe now. Now I am going to mash the potatoes. I roughly mash the potatoes like this. I'll keep this aside. Now I'll get ready with the batter. I took 1 bowl of besan, small bowl of besan. I'll put 1 pinch of baking soda, salt to taste. Now I'll make the batter. Not very thin, not very thick, medium. My batter is ready. Now I'll keep this aside for 10 minutes. I will fry the ginger, garlic and chili chopped up very finely. Put in some oil. Now I'll put the ginger, garlic and green chili. Let it turn brown a little bit. Now I will put the cumin powder, some chili powder and saffron. Mix it well. Now I'll put in the potatoes. The mashed potatoes, I'll put it in. And mix it. Mix it well. Put the salt. Aloo chop mixture is ready. The mixture which I made with the potato and the masalas. Now I am going to make the tikkas for the aloo chop. This type I will take some and make it a little flat. This type I will make the tikkas. Chopped tikkas are ready. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll dip it in the batter, the aloo tikkas, and then put it in for frying. Aloo chop is ready to be eaten with sauce. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment.